Hey guys, it's Josh with Cardinal Offroad, and today I want to go over Tuffy's lockbox for the Jeep TJ. Now I purchased this because as most two-door Wrangler guys, you never have a spot to put anything and you never have a place to lock anything up besides the plastic glove box. So what's nice about these is they're sold in pairs. They come with an extra spot to mount a speaker up front, and they're also lockable with matching keys. So when you get these, they're going to come with a seal to go over the top lip, and that's just to keep water and stuff like that out. And they're also going to come with all your hardware, which is a couple bolts for each one, some lock washers, and some nuts. Installation: all you're going to need is a drill with a 3/8 drill bit, a 1/2 inch wrench, 1/2 inch socket with a ratchet. So let's get started. Now that we got the window out of the way, the next step is to actually just set the lockbox in the Jeep. Now when you get in there, it's pretty easy to find the right spot. It's going to position correctly over the rear wheel well. So if you have any gaps here, then you know it's not in the right spot. Here you guys can see how well it lines up around the wheel well. Like I said, it's a very tight fit, so there's really no wrong way of putting these in. The next step is you want to mark the holes that are inside there. Now there's 2 holes, and all you want to do is trace around those holes. That way you can take it out and you know where to drill. One thing to be careful of is when you're drilling through your carpet with a drill bit, make sure you're paying attention that the carpet's not wrapping around the drill bit so it doesn't rip all the carpet up. One thing I went ahead and did before I mount my box, I went ahead and ran a speaker wire underneath the carpet, and then I brought it up to about where the speaker is going to be. And then I went ahead and mounted my speaker. Now to mount the speaker, all you have to do is take this cover out, which is just 2 nuts inside here, and then this part actually slides out. So now that that's done, all we're going to do is go ahead and wherever we drill our holes, we're going to line those up, and then we're going to stick the bolts through. The last step is to add the weather stripping. Now before doing so, it's a good idea to wipe down the inside of the lid so it's free of dirt and make sure there's no moisture in there. So that's all there is to it. It's a pretty simple installation, but it gives you a lot more storage and another place to lock up your valuables. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out Cardinal Offroad.